You don't see me too often dressed up in a nice shirt like this. I thought I'd do it because I want to talk about Hunch. Hunch is an awesome tool and platform to be exponentially more productive. And you can do it by chaining together different models on one common surface. So you can see here, you get real work done, events and sequences connected, spill to the next one, spill to the next one, can generate images, can generate content, and can mix and match. I highly suggest getting signed up. I hope you're ready for some next level stuff. Tell me more about the company, Southwestern Energy. Simple, right? So we have the results, key company information, revenue over time, option reserves, recent documents. Oh, they bought Chesapeake. Oh, no, it was Chesapeake announced its intention to buy Southwestern. Here we have all and recent news. Pretty slick. So let's see what happens. Let's see this in action. Coming back, you can see I changed this to EQT Gas Company. Now, I happen to know there's another EQT and I don't want to confuse it. Let's see the results. Boom. EQT Corporation, key info, revenue, income. Love it. So you can take this stuff out. You can search for another one. So let's say I want to search for another company. Let's say someone like Antero Resources. Run that. So it's going to run through all that same logic again. You can see, pulls it out, runs a search, hits go, pulls the results, hits over here. It's going to update that. Run, reassemble. This is some next level workflow automation. I love this stuff. You might not believe me if I didn't show you the results. Here's Intero. Get the breakdown, revenue, income, stock ticker, and links. Amazing.